Things you should know about the One Big Beautiful Bill, Part 5. So no tax on Social Security is one that we've gotten a lot of questions on, and the reality is that this is not even in the One Big Beautiful Bill, although it's been advertised as such. So I'm going to take you guys through where this stands and discuss the probability that it ultimately becomes law, but this is currently being advertised by the White House as a part of the One Big Beautiful Bill. If you look at the One Big Beautiful Bill, and I have gone through all of the pages of the PDF, there's 331 pages. I've read almost every section of this. It is nowhere in here. But where it is it's currently in an executive order that was referred to the House Ways and Means Committee. And this is currently introduced. It has not passed the House. It has not passed the Senate. It hasn't gone to the president, who ultimately wrote the executive order to put this into law eventually. But this is simply a bill, or a piece of a bill, that could potentially add a additional standard deduction to senior tax returns, which we'll go through in a moment. You heard me say before was an additional standard deduction. Well, what does that mean? So everybody receives a standard deduction at least on their tax return. And here's a scenario, two scenarios side by side, a single senior versus a married senior. The standard deduction that somebody would receive, regardless of age, in a single scenario, married scenario, would be $15,750, $31,500. The existing additional senior deduction is $2,000, $3,200 for a married senior couple already. That's already in the tax code. This new additional, as we're calling it, or as the White House is calling the new senior deduction, is this third standard deduction of $6,000, $12,000 respectively for single and married seniors. And what this aims to do, the bill kind of is positioned to where it sounds like, oh, blanket statement, no tax on Social Security. I mean, that's how they advertise this. It's, again, one of those bills where it's, most cases, it's going to wash out most of your Social Security tax from tax liability. So, they're estimating that 88% of all seniors who receive Social Security will effectively pay no tax on this. Now, again, a lot of seniors have additional income, supplemental income, pensions, 401k and IRA distributions that are still potentially going to be subject to tax. And then, of course, your entire return picture will be multifaceted and will determine if you're, say, in that 12% of seniors that may pay tax on a portion, some of your Social Security and some other income. So like everything else, this is definitely nuanced, but it's certainly a move in the direction of reducing tax liability for seniors. Now, if you'd like to track the status of this HR 904, House Bill 904, no tax on Social Security, I'll put the link in the description and you guys can actually track the status of this as time goes on. Please follow JMCPA Plus for more information on the One Big Beautiful Bill.